Place a flashlight into a large water bottle filled halfway. Use tape to attach it firmly. Make sure it's stable and secure. This setup creates a homemade light source that works perfectly when the power goes out or when you're traveling and need more soft, diffused light. Something so simple yet so effective. Give it a try next time you get the chance. Snow removal takes me just a few minutes. I no longer have to struggle with an icy sidewalk every morning. I found a method that effectively melts ice and prevents it from forming again. It's simple, inexpensive, and works instantly. Instead of using salt, which can damage surfaces and plants around the house, I use a homemade solution that works even in the coldest days. First, boil a liter of water in a kettle. Once it reaches boiling point, pour it into a large container. Then add 30 milliliters of dish soap, which helps reduce ice adhesion and makes it easier to remove. Next, add 60 milliliters of vinegar and the same amount of alcohol. Vinegar acts as a natural antifreeze, while alcohol speeds up the ice melting process. Mix everything well. Then transfer the solution into a spray bottle. Now simply spray the icy surface, and the ice will start melting almost immediately. If there is a thicker layer of ice, you can reapply the solution to speed up the process. Additionally, using this mixture prevents re-icing, so you won't have to worry about a slippery sidewalk every day. Now all my neighbors are using this trick. Take this with you from home and spray the soles of your shoes. I don't leave the house in winter without it. Apply it thoroughly so the entire sole is covered. A slightly sticky layer forms, helping the sole grip slippery surfaces better. All you need is regular hairspray. It's an ideal solution for icy and wet sidewalks, especially when you need to head out right away. Remember to reapply it regularly, as the hairspray layer gradually wears off while walking. There's also another method that's just as simple and quick. Use adhesive bandages. Only 2 are enough. Stick them to the soles of your shoes, but the way you apply them matters. Placing them in an X shape creates an effective anti-slip layer. Do the same with the other shoe. Remember to replace the bandages when they wear out or peel off. Just like the hairspray, the effect isn't permanent, but it works very well and is more than enough for a short walk or getting to work safely. Spray this on your winter hat, and your problem will disappear for good. I always carry it in my bag during winter. Static hair is a common issue, especially in the colder months. Wearing a hat combined with dry air makes the situation even more frustrating. The level of hair static depends on its structure, weather conditions, and the materials in our clothing. After removing your hat, your hair stands on end and flies in every direction. A good solution to reduce static is to use an anti-static spray. You can buy one in stores or make it at home in just a few minutes. Take a clean spray bottle, fill it about 3/4 full with distilled water, which acts as the base of the mixture. Then, add vinegar to fill the remaining space, as it has anti-static properties and helps balance pH. Finally, mix in 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Glycerin helps keep hair less dry and less prone to building up static, effectively reducing the problem. Shake well before use. Then spray your hat. Your hair will stop electrifying, and you can enjoy the winter weather without worrying about your hairstyle.